So I'm Dr. Gia Sison and I'm a doctor. My specialty is occupational medicine. I'm a Thomasian doctor and I have a full-time job. I'm the Chief Medical Officer of Global Telehealth Incorporated. So I'm a staunch mental health advocate and I'm a breast cancer survivor also. When I was diagnosed with cancer 5 years ago, during chemotherapy, I realized the need for support. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, parang after this, I'll really fight for support groups pa nga muna for people who have parang chronic disease. So that also started my calling as a Philippine leader for Livestrong Foundation. Well, as a doctor, I deal a lot with fear of financial incapabilities. Walang pera pambili ng gamot. The stigma behind their illness is one. And a lot of issues also about self. Being worthy, self-esteem issues. People may look strong outside, but deep inside, yung simple question nga lang na how are you can actually break a lot of barriers. Super. I mean, compared to before, when the mental health law was even before its passage, the lobbying was very parang moving. You can see a lot of people wanting to be heard and stories wanting to be told. So, I can say bit by bit, the Philippines is starting to be very vocal about how they feel, but we still need to break that stigma that's behind not only mental health but also with other conditions. I'll never forget the first death I encountered, the first cancer patient that I had to talk to and break the news. Yung mga ganon, it's all about human interactions and human connections. So, for me, the quality of life is very important. Breaking bad news is never easy. And having to balance it with a little bit of faith and hope, that's really a difficult, I wouldn't say na you have to strike a balance kasi there will never be a balance. Meron dyan talaga mas bibigat. But for me, a little bit of something will help, will go along with it. I'm not a fan of online exams. So if there's one thing that I would advise, don't go into that. Start also accepting and start to open with a friend. Kasi it all starts with talking about something that you feel strongly. Parang, example, you're sad. Malaking bagay na that I talk to you and tell you what's making me sad. Listening is a powerful tool. So just being there to listen, not to judge, just listen to understand. There's this saying that I love that saying. You listen to understand instead of to react. Awareness doesn't stop in a day. Every day, for me, awareness is every day. And walk the talk also. That's the pinaka-important part. Baliwala yung advocacy if you don't walk it.